Hello everyone, I'm Charles. I have a degree in business admin and I graduated from UWE in 1998. Actually, from UWE, I learned about diversity, especially when we have group projects. My team members could be people from France, could be people from Hong Kong, could be someone from Germany, from Portugal. So at that time, I learned that we need to manage different diversity because everyone has their own way of working, everyone has their own way of thinking about deadlines. I would not want to tell you which country does not like which country, but generally, we learn as we work together as a team to complete the necessary projects. I think the first thing which is very important is to let everyone know that a degree is not everything. However, in this world, a degree is a very important starting point. Many people say that nowadays, if I don't have a degree, I can also take up those ride-hailing driver or food deliverer, and I can earn by far more than the starting pay of someone with a degree. I will not doubt that. However, remember, the salary that you can earn will always be limited at that point from that moment onwards. It is unlikely that every year you have increment, every other year you have promotions, and your salary continue to rise. And if we look at all the manual kind of workers around the world, you will notice that, technology can replace us. However, with a degree, if you continue to rise up the corporate ranks and you continue to learn more and you continue to understand more, your skill is unable to be replaced by AI, unable to be replaced by robots. And your salary, actually, there's no limit. Actually, in the world we live in today, if we look at just maybe 15, 20 years ago, it is all about individualism. That means, are you a performer? Are you not a performer? Then we start to have the concept of teamwork, which meant that you must work well in a team, within your team. Actually, if you look at today and beyond, the keyword is collaboration. It is not teamwork, because teamwork is your team. Collaboration means you are working with different teams in the company. So it might be someone from another team, it might be someone from a different specialization. Collaboration means you must learn how to work and how to extract the best and how to give your best.